Hi there, I'm Jack Bucknell with Sioux Falls Dent Repair in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I started doing paintless dent repair in 2010. So prior to getting into paintless dent repair, I was actually working at an automotive collision center as the painter in the body shop. So I worked my way up from basically floor sweeper to body tech into the paint shop and was then painting the cars, and that's what I did prior to doing paintless dent repair. Paintless dent repair is removing dents, dings, hail damage, and minor crease damage in a vehicle without harming the exterior paint finish. If we can't get to the backside with a specialized dent repair tool, we actually have specialized glue tabs that we glue to the paint surface and pull the damaged area out. The hardest part of paintless dent repair is, in my opinion, all the business aspect of it. It's one thing to pick up tools and to be able to fix dents, but then to actually be able to operate and run a business successfully is something that I thought I had an idea of before I started my business, but it's a completely different experience. But it doesn't matter because I absolutely love it. I love challenges. I love challenging myself. When you finish up with a big smash, especially, and the customer is just completely ecstatic, I mean, there's no better feeling than that. You can't describe it. It's just an awesome feeling, and there's nothing that makes me happier than to see a happy customer. You can visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com, or you can call or text us at 605-595-4061. I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair.